Hi, Barbie!
Hi, Barbie!
Ako din yung naatasan na magpakilala sa kanya. So parang kinakabahan ako, no? So, Carla Olivera!
So it has you all of your stuff.
I started collecting
Then tinago ko siya kasi hindi siya legal sa bahay. Then,
I feel so free. Thank you so much.
It's valuable to be embraced by my fellow Filipinos in such a way, with such a warm welcome. You know, really touches my heart.